Okay, I wanted to show everybody a great way to share our information in the group, and it's just a little bit shorter. So before it used to be to do the first copy, you would just replace all of this information and do copy. Okay. The problem that comes with this is that people really cannot see the information, and everyone is saving it to their Google Drives and taking up so much room. And now Google has limited us to 15 gigabytes. So, a better way to share is you go into your presentation. There's a really cool way that you can share this. Where is my presentation? Oh, I have to go back. Hold on one second. That's other people's presentations. So let me just go back into my slides. And there's two things that I'd like to show you. One is called the preview, and you want people just to preview the slide. And it's actually really pretty. You'll get a full screen preview. Highlight, and right before edit, back up. And oh, before I do that, hold on one second. Always when you share slides, please don't forget. Share. Make sure that it is not restricted, because it's always restricted automatically. And I got another key to stop that from happening. Anywhere and with a link. And okay, now you go back up here, highlight, and where it was saying edit, I want to change this into a preview. And then when you hit it, it comes up just like that. And then you can have people look at it. It's beautiful. Now let's change here. So when you share in the group, what we're going to do is we want a template / preview. When I hit this, it magically appears for everyone to look at. So if you save these into the group now, it's so much easier, and nobody has to make a copy, do a copy. All they have to do, you can actually leave the work as it is. I like to leave the work as it is so that whoever's slides I'm using, the students actually get a chance to meet other authors, just like if I was reading a book. Then if somebody would like to use that and change it, they can just go use template, and within a moment or so, it will open up and they're going to have a template. So another thing is, once you have these and you decide to post them into group, please, please, please add when you're sharing. Let's say I want to share this into the group. I'm not going to share it, but let's look at somebody else's since I'm not going to share it. Let's just go Bitmoji Craze. I can do that in editing mode now. I go here and you see something. And there's a secret. There's going to be a shortcut secret coming up soon. You'll see it later today. Okay, Mars Perseverance. This is space, or probably for English language arts, and I would probably say for grade 5 through 12. So whenever you post something, please, 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 over here it says post your topic tag. Okay? And I want to post this. It takes a moment for it, but so as well as putting it into preview, a template preview, then just add your topic tag. This is an ELA, literature, probably, I'd say, let's say grade 6 through 12, and save. So this will now let everyone know what grade level it is, where does it belong, and then you'll have the link as well. So these are preview template, preview, as well as topic tags for the group. I hope everyone is having a great Saturday, and wait till you see what's coming up. Happy teaching!